Economic and social outcomes. Economic growth and development. Dictatorships have higher rate of economic growth than democracy. Economic development depends upon several other factors like population, global situation, cooperation from other countries, and economic policies. Differences in the rates of economic development between less developed countries with dictatorships and democracies are negligible. Hence, we can draw the conclusion that democracy does not guarantee us economic growth, but we can expect democracy not to lag behind dictatorships in terms of economic growth. When we observe notable difference in the rates of economic development between countries under dictatorship and democracy, it is more desirable to choose democracy as it has many other positive outcomes. Reduction of inequality and poverty. Democracy is based on political equality, but along with this, we can see economic inequality growing. A small number of extremely rich people enjoy a highly uneven share of wealth and incomes, and their share in total income of the country is increasing. On the other hand, the income of poor is declining. Sometimes these people find so much difficulty in meeting their basic needs of life, such as food, health, house, education, and clothing. Accommodation of social diversity. Democracies develop a procedure to conduct their competition, which reduces tension among them. The social differences are respected in democracies, and some mechanism is evolved to negotiate the differences. There are two conditions that a democracy should fulfill in order to achieve the above outcome. Democracy is not just ruled by majority, but also takes a minority's view. The majority always needs to work with the minority. Rule by majority should not be ruled by majority community in terms of religion or caste or linguistic group. Democracy allows every citizen to be in majority at some point of time.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and